What up, Custom Squad? We back, man. As you see in the background, got another project back there, but we ain't gonna talk about that right now. We talking about the Honda. Yeah, man, I'm finna get this thing all washed up. As you see, I got my spray stuff ready. So let's get it done. Just like that, custom gang, we got a wash, man. It's time to pull her into the booth. Got all up under here. Yes. Got all that clean. Cause I gotta jam that out. That's the only thing I gotta jam that's left on here. Jam that out. Then hit the outside of it. Fix a couple spots. Hey, be ready. Ain't nothing like that VTEC, man. You see it 3.5. Yes, sir. Honda, take a lick and keep on ticking, man. So let's get it pulled into the booth. Alright, what up, custom gang? I'm back, man. I know it's been a long time, you know, but that's life, man. You know, we have things going on in our life that, you know, that need to be taken care of. So, hey, we back on the Honda, man. Enough with all that. We back on the Honda. As you see, I think the last time I recorded, I said I was bringing the Honda in the booth. I mean, the shop. I got it in the shop now. So, matter of fact, I know under the hood, I needed to jam under there. So, let's take a look at that. I already got it done. So, give y'all a look at it. Yeah, I got the ready heater going. It was a little cool this morning, but let's take a look at it, man. Boom, got the hood jammed. It's a little spotty. I did it with a rattle can. That's what I did. The core support and all that with a rattle can. Hey, it'll hold up really good, man. You don't got to worry about it coming off and that. As long as you prep it right, hey, the rattle can will do the job, bro. But yeah, I did that with a rattle can. You know, in the center part right there is gonna be a little under the hood insulator cover or whatever you want to call it. So I'm not too much worried about under the hood, but the outside, you know, I wanted to look good. But I just wanted to white, you know, get that white, get that jammed out. So next, what I'm gonna be doing is jumping on this fender here. As I showed y'all in the other videos, you know, it was damaged. I got that little damage right there to fix, which is pretty much nothing. And that front bumper. Let's walk out here and check out the bumper. Yeah, as you can see, the bumper has a little grind marks on it and a tear. That's a hole that's right there. I'm gonna be fixing that with my plastic welder. So, let's get on it. As y'all can see, I got that patched on the back side and on the front side there. You see it? I just got to sand that down and wipe a little putty over it. And that will be repaired, man. I think it has a little dimple in it, but I can still fix that too. I'm just going to let that dry up a little bit. Now we're going to run in here and jump on the fender while we letting that. Well, it's already dry, but we're going to jump on the fender so I can wipe them at the same time. As you can see, here's our fender, the spot that we got to fix. So let's get it. lay down our first coat of primer. This is what I'm using. As you can see, it's a self-etching primer. It etches and primes in one easy step. Wow! You got that. So let's go out here and get the bumper. I won't be using this one on the bumper. See what I'm using on the bumper? 2-in-1 filler primer. Alright, that's our first coat. I'm gonna put 2 more coats on that and we're gonna be done with that. Alright, this is my second coat I'm gonna put on here. I got the 2-in-1 primer. I used the etching primer on the first part that I covered up, so I'm gonna use this 2-in-1 filler primer on here now.
Hey man, what's your video later? I'm about to come now.
Alright, I'll be here. Yeah. All right, as you see, that was the second coat. Yeah, y'all may have heard I was on the phone too. Business all the time. But yeah, let's walk out here to the bumper and put another coat on it. All right, that's the second coat. I'm gonna put one more coat on there after that dries. Basically, I'm putting 3 coats on there to fill those sand scratches. Sand scratches and where the bumper had. Because every time you sand on the bumper, it has that plastic. It's like fur that be on it, man. You gotta put enough primer on that so you can knock that junk down, but I'm gonna get it done. With the can. I'm the man with the can. So, alright. I'm gonna jump back on the fender and get it primed. Put one more coat on it. Well, while we waiting on that fender to tack off, and this one to tack off, hey man, take the time to subscribe to the channel, man. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe, man. Hit that like button and that notification, man. So when I come out with another video, boom, you'll be the first one to get it, man. Yeah, go on and hit it right now. Hit that subscribe button. I'm talking to you right there. You. Yeah, you. The one that's watching this video, man. Hit that subscribe button. You. Alright. I see you don't hit it. Appreciate that, man. So let's jump on this fender. And for the final and third coat. Alright. Let's walk out here and get the bumper. Alright, and just like that, we are done. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, man. Don't forget. It's your boy Rollo Cousins. We go, man.